I received this cooling and heating device for my review by Dr. M. Shears. And let me tell you something. I just tried it out and it's super, super cool, hot. I don't know what to call it actually because it does both. If you're looking for kind of like that instant satisfaction of, of instant cool or instant hot, I say instant, it's practically instant. And this is the nice thing about this is that you will be able to put this anywhere on your body, preferably right onto your skin. And this pad is going to get extremely cold and extremely hot and literally relieve some of that tension, some of that pain, some of that maybe discomfort that you may have if you're coming back from the gym, if you have a certain condition. Definitely going to help you there. I love the fact that you can install it in both ways. So it does have straps. It does come with the straps where you can install it vertically. So if I had the strap going from, let's say, my shoulder and under my shoulder, I could do that. Or I could also have it, let's say, on a pec right here and actually attach it on to the side, so horizontally as well. So on your leg, on your arm, on your chest, on your back, this thing is fantastic. Now let's take a closer look so you guys can see what actually we are looking at. So this is the unit right here itself. Now, it is able to do, like I said, hot and cold right here, and it is rechargeable via USB-C. You've got that little snowflake and little heat button. When you press it for about 2 seconds, it starts going, and then you've got 3 different intensities of hot and 3 different intensities of cold as well. The hot will go from 95, 104, all the way to 113 degrees. And the cold will go from 59 degrees, 50 degrees, and all the way down to a chilling 42 degrees, which is great. And it feels fantastic because that's the pad right here that gets that kind of that effect, right? And when you put it on, so let me just turn on the heat, for example, and I'm going to go right here on the heat. And right here, you can see it. We're on the highest heat. And right away, I can feel the heat being turned on. And this whole pad feels hot. You can put it anywhere. My goodness, it does feel incredibly hot. Now, in the heat mode, there is 0 sound. And I'm talking very, there's like a little buzz, but there's no fan going. When you do have it on the... let me go put it on that bone chilling 3. So the third intensity, the highest intensity for the cold. As you can hear, probably, the fan turns on, right? So the fan turns on to get it to that coolness that we're looking for. And it goes cool really, really quickly. From really hot to extremely cold. And now I'm ready to get some that alleviation right there with that cool effect. This thing is so cool. Literally. And the straps are really nice, really comfortable straps as well, that neoprene with that Velcro. So you're able to go around your arm, around your leg. And if you want some longer strap, look at that strap, how long that strap is. Very, very long. So you can go across the body, across your back super easily and literally attach this anywhere you have that pain. You want to get that soothing effect. But yeah. Dr. M. Shears, I'm really, really impressed with this. Love the small packaging. Love the way that it charges via USB-C. And I just love the fact that it does what it says it's supposed to do and no other types of frills. Man, that is so cold. Woo! Love this thing.